Hi, my name is Alicia, and I think the end of the song, I think is really unique and cool. My name is JJ. I like the ending of the song because it's cool and it's Chinese, and I never learned Chinese songs. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Hannah, and the ending of the song is really fun.
Hi, my name is Lena, and the end of the dance is